Hey everyone, welcome back to Vectorial. This is day 5 of our 30-day vector challenge, and today we're creating something fresh and juicy, a flat minimal orange vector in Adobe Illustrator. If you've been following along since the beginning, you know we've already drawn an avocado, a strawberry, a banana, and an apple, all in the same clean and minimal style. And every single day we're adding one more vector to this growing collection. By the end of this series, you'll have 30 professional step-by-step tutorials to level up your Illustrator skills. Now, here's something important. All of these vectors, including today's orange, are available for download. If you'd like to grab them instantly, check the description below for the link. But there's something even better. By supporting us on Patreon, you can get every single vector from this series completely free. Plus, all future uploads, premium vector packs, early access to videos, and even exclusive tutorials only available for patrons. We've set up 3 affordable monthly plans, so no matter your budget, there's a way to join and be part of our creative community. Your support on Patreon is what keeps this series alive. It's what allows me to dedicate the time and effort to making these daily tutorials for you. Without it, this challenge wouldn't be possible. So, if you're enjoying this journey, please consider becoming a patron today. And of course, don't forget the basics. Like this video if you want to see the series continue. Comment below which fruit, food, or object you'd like me to draw next. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video in this challenge. To all of you who are already supporting, thank you so much. You're the reason we can keep creating and sharing every single day. Let's keep growing together, and let's make vector art fun, simple, and inspiring for everyone.